Hey guys, what is up? This is Supercars in Manchester. Today you join me down here at Donnington Park, where I can't see what's coming because of the fog. Yeah, it's very foggy here today. We are here for the Supercar Drivers season opener. So we're going to be watching the cars arriving and leaving. That's a dark green. Wow, this is going to be interesting. Dark green DBX707. So I'll catch you guys when we find something else. Oh, and a GT3. This is going to be interesting.
Oh, Tesla.
He had noises in the mist.
What is it? Oh, it's a massive combo. Many things.
There are lots of things.
Allen turbo. Oh, it's them from the services. There might be a merch logo with these.
Ooh. What is this? GT4. Ooh. I like the decals on that. More noises. What is it? Is it a Lotus? No, aerial atom. Oh, a few more cars. Oh, Storato. DBS. F40. God, I hope this fog goes away for when they're leaving. Is that GT4 RS? No. Just a GT4 with a big wing. DB12 Volante. and Advantage Volante and DBX707. Aston combos. Right, oh, Ferrari F40. P1? Holy. Okay then. Wasn't expecting a P1. Wow. Okay then. Can't even see the entrance, but we can hear something. We've moved a little closer up to the entrance now. We're going to see if we can get in. What is it? It's close, whatever it is. Oh, that's an SF90. A Toyota F40. Right, a little bit further down now. Is that a yellow GT4? That might be PTS yellow, that. I was like, I think they're confusing these three cars parked up here for the actual meet. I don't know why we've been sent all the way up this way. £200 later, we are now inside, finally. I think we're inside, I hope. Here we go. Now that was worth 200 quid. Ooh. Very nice. Okay, yeah, so we got Enzo, Wyra, Veyron, Vitesse, SP3, F40, P1, and then we've got quite a few other cars parked up over there. Very nice. So this is like the car park area, I presume. Ooh, XE Project 8, Diablo, another Diablo. Ooh, very nice, very nice. Radical, what's that over there? Vanquish possibly. 765, 296, a few 296s actually. Radical, yeah, not bad. Oh, 992 G2, 992 GT3 RSs. 720, yeah, let's have a little look-see round. Hey, there's a white Purasang way over there. Oh, that's Viola Hong Kong, I think. Oh, that's nice. Very nice. F8, Exige. Nice, nice. Look at that. P640. Wow. Yeah.
Yes, exactly the same spec.
Yeah.
And
Wow.
Yeah, but that's what I wanted to